My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, it's unboxing time for the Tribe Beauty box. Last one of 2020. So for those of you who are not familiar with Tribe Beauty box, you know I got you, and the information will be down below. So when we open our bag, the first thing that we pull out is our description card, and on this card it gives us all the information about each and every item that is enclosed. We're gonna pull them out the bag and go from there. Okay, so the first item that we have is the Avant skincare. Okay, that's this item right here, and our description card says this is the Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream. Okay, now it's white packaging, so it's a little on the difficult side to see. Hopefully that'll be a little better. Is that a little better? Okay. The Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream is an age radiance cream that aims to illuminate your skin and consequently your day, combining the signature ingredients of hyaluronic acid, seawater, jojoba oil, and soy lecithin. This moisturizer is designed to intensify the illumination of your skin. Woo! The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $134. Wow. We're gonna squeeze a small amount and see what this is all about. Okay. So here we go. You know, this is going to be the most moisturized and well cared for hand. I gotta start switching up because I try and rub everything on that hand. But so it does have a nice clean scent to it. It absorbs very, very quickly into the hand or onto the skin. Okay, so that is item number one. Item number two is Down Boy, and this is a shadow blush from The Balm. And it says, this sweet pink shadow and blush features light reflecting particles for an aura of elegance without detectable shimmer. Formulated with a finely graded powder, Down Boy helps create a smooth and even texture as quick as a wink. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $21. Okay, and of course the inside and outside packaging are the same. Oh, it does come with the mirror. However, this is a seriously pink blush. Now, I have two blushes like this one already, so this one I'm not going to swatch because I'm going to put it in a giveaway. Okay, so it says so many men, so little time. Really? Okay. Yeah, that'll go into a giveaway. Okay, the next item that I have is the Brenda, Dylan, and Kelly. This one is the Solar Look Brenda Loves Dylan Liquid Lipstick. And it says, 90210 inspired, lightweight vegan liquid matte lipstick, smudge proof, non-tacky, and long wearing. This shade is a deep true red with full coverage. Okay, let's just see. This packaging is gorgeous. It kind of reminds me of Huda packaging. Look at that. Kind of reminds you of Huda, right? That is gorgeous. Y'all know I love me a good red. Oh, look at the, can you see that? Okay, that applicator is bomb. Ooh. Wow, look at that. Yes, this is a true red, and this is gorgeous. Let's see what it says as it dries down. It's paraben-free, cruelty-free, no animal testing, gluten-free, peanut-free. I think this is probably the first time I've seen that. Gluten-free, peanut-free, and FDA compliant. Wow. Portions of the proceeds from the sale of this product will be donated to the American Stroke Association. Wow. Oh my, I'm very impressed. Very impressed. Okay, and this is what it looks like. That's gorgeous. Okay. Oh my God, I love everything about that. I love the packaging. I love what they stand for. Well, thank you, Tribe Beauty, for introducing me to this company. Okay, let's not get hung up there. Let's go ahead and move right along. Okay, and the next item that we have is by Iman Cosmetics, and it's a product that I love and I use often. So this item is this lovely pencil right here, and this is the perfect pencil in Nutbush, and it says line and define your eyes with this brown liner and achieve a softer look different from the typical black liner, creamy enough for smooth, easy application without streaking and smearing, and it is reasonably priced at $10. Now, can you get a good look at this? Now I want to show you why I like this. I'm not going to open this one. I'm going to show you mine. Now, this is mine. Ignore the condition because I use it a lot. Okay. Now, this is the pencil. Okay. As you can tell, I definitely use my pencil. This is the size difference. Okay. That's the size difference right there. Now, it comes with its own sharpener, okay? Now, because I have other liners, I tried this once. It was amazing. So, I decided this one would be my lip liner for when I wear like a red lipstick and like this one. And I want to have a dark liner around it because it's nothing like a red lipstick with a nice dark liner underneath. When we do our create, review, and first impression, I'm going to make it a point to show you what I mean so that you can see it as well. Love, love, love this liner right here. It was amazing as an eyeliner, but then because I had so many, I said, okay, let me just see how it would be as a lip liner. So I sharpened it so that I could put a clean layer on. And this became my black lip liner. Amazing. You'll see what I'm talking about when it comes down to time to do it. Now, the last item that I have, and this was a variant, but this is the one that I chose because I don't have anything like this at all, which is by Poppy Cosmetics. Okay, and it's this right here, and this is the Neon Drip Palette, and it says create perfect bold glam looks with mattes and shimmers from the Neon Drip Palette. These 12 vibrant and super blendable pressed pigments will make you look hotter than ever. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $29. Now, this is what the packaging on the outside looks like. So it shows you the color story. Now, this was not the most expensive palette offered this month, but I have something like the other one. The other one was the Suva Beauty palette. But this thing, I have nothing like this. Okay, here's the palette itself, and it comes with a mirror. Okay, and these are the shades. Look at that. Look at, I don't even know what I'm going to do with this neon yellow on the top. Well, it's green. It's a neon green. How about we swatch that one, okay? It's actually called Slimy. Okay, and so we're going to do that one. We're going to swatch Flex. And then this is the only one I ever want to see. This one is called Side Chick. This is what the shades look like, okay? So let's swatch them. Okay, now these are a little chalky, but holy moly. I'm okay with that if they build up nicely. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I need to find just the right. Let me see if I turn the light down a little bit. Okay, how about that? Okay, so, all right, so we're gonna check that one out as well. These are beautiful. I'm very, very excited to create using this Neon Drip palette. I really am. So, I must admit, I definitely love this palette. It's beautiful to look at. The shades are beautiful. I just have nothing like it. So I really wanted to, you know, try it out. I have lots of palettes, but nothing like this at all. Look at that. Oh my. Okay, all right, let's get away from it right now. So, wow, I'm impressed by this month's Try Beauty Box. They are really going out of 2020 with a bang. Love the lipstick. It's dry. It's not tacky, it's dry. Okay, and then the shades in this Neon Drip palette. I already love this pencil. And I'm not going to use this one, but I do have one like it, so I'm going to use that when it's time with the blush and this lipstick. Love what they stand for. We're just going to see just how long wearing it really is. And this one, once again, is in the shade Brenda Loves Dylan. So, I want to thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. Wow. I enjoyed opening the last Tribe Beauty box of the year. It was amazing. It was worth the wait, and I'm glad to have received it. And these are the products that were in this month's Tribe Beauty box. Down below, you will also see the manufacturer's suggested price for everything that was included in this month's box/bag. Okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, yes, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.